Hello, dear students. Today we're going to talk about skill number 1 in the structure part. Be sure the sentence has a subject and a verb. A sentence in English must have at least one subject and one verb. The subject can be a noun or it can be a pronoun. The subject pronouns in English are he, she, it, we, they, you, and I. Most of the problems that students will face in the exams or in the book are related to the subject or the verb. Sometimes there is a missing subject or a missing verb. Others, the sentence may have an extra subject or an extra verb. For example, look at this one. Was packed up for miles on the freeway. As a student, you have to look for a subject in the sentence and a verb in order to make sure that the sentence is correct. Here we have was packed up, it's the verb in the sentence. But as you see, we don't have a subject. If you look at the choices, you need to choose the one that completes the sentence correctly. In other words, you need to find the subject for the verb. Yesterday, it's a time expression. In the morning, it's a prepositional phrase. Traffic and cars are both nouns. So A and B are eliminated. In other words, they are deleted because they are not nouns or subject pronouns. Whereas C and D are both nouns. But you need to look for the subject that agrees with the verb. Here we have was, it's a singular verb. We have see, it's uncountable noun, and cars, it's a noun, it's countable noun, and also it's in the plural form. So the best choice for this sentence is C. Another example is engineers for work on the new space program. Here we have the subject engineers, but we don't have a verb. So there's a missing verb in the sentence. If you look at the choices, necessary, it's an adjective. Are needed, it's a verb. Hopefully, it's an adverb. Next month, it's a time expression. So the correct answer for this sentence is B, are needed. So, as a student, you should notice and make sure that the sentence must have at least one subject and one verb. Now let's check the exercise and make sure that the sentences are correct or incorrect. Underline the subjects once and the verbs twice in each of the following sentences, then indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Last week, went fishing for trout at the nearby mountain lake. Went, it's the verb, but this sentence lacks a subject, so it is incorrect. Number 2, a schedule of the day's events can be obtained at the front desk. A schedule is the subject and can be obtained the verb, so it is correct. A job on the day shift or the night shift at the plant available. Now in this example, a job is the subject, but we don't have a verb, so the sentence is incorrect. Number 4, the new computer program provides a variety of helpful applications. The new computer program is the subject, provides, it's the verb. But as you notice here, there's something wrong with the verb. Has should be followed by the past participle form of the verb, so it is incorrect. Number 5, the new box can be opened only with a special screwdriver. The box, it's the subject. Can be opened, it's the verb, so the sentence here, it's correct. Number 6, the assigned textbook for history class, it contains more than 20 chapters. The assigned text, it's the subject in the sentence. We have it, it's a subject pronoun, and contains is a verb. So this sentence is incorrect because we have extra subjects. We have two subjects, text and the pronoun it. Number 7, the papers in the waste basket should be emptied into the trash can outside. The papers, subject, should be emptied, it's the verb. The sentence here is correct. Number 8, Departure before dawn on a boat in the middle of the harbor. Departure is the subject in the sentence, but this sentence lacks a verb, so it is correct because of the missing verb. Yesterday found an interesting article on pollution. Found it's the verb in the sentence, but as you noticed, we don't have a subject, so the sentence is correct because of the missing subject. And the last sentence, number 10, the new machine is a processes 50% more than the previous machine. The new machine is the subject, is the processes verb. Here the sentence lacks there's something wrong with the verb is a processes because it should be followed by verb ing or the past participle form. So the sentence here is incorrect because we have a wrong verb. There's something wrong with the structure of the verb in the sentence. That's all for the skill number 1. Good luck, everyone.